5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Start 70, right 3, 80. Flat through dip. Flat right 40, brow 30. Short left 6, tightens to 3 minus. 100. Right 3 into left 4. There's 3 into left 4. It opens long. Here's our 4. It opens long. Short right 6 over brow. Short left 6, right 3 plus. Here's 3 plus. And right 6 nips. Short left 5. Short right, left 5, 100. Short right 5 into short left 5. Here's short left 5. Short right 6. Brow, flat left, 30. Left 6, 30. Then caution nips, right 3. Flat left over brow, 30. Left 4 nips, right 3. Again, nips, right 3. Left 4. It tightens. This is a 4. It tightens 60. Rough, right 3. Again, rough right 3 here, 80. Left 6, 50. Right 6, middle over brow, 50. Caution bumps, left 5, tightens 4, 40. There's tightens 4, 40. Flat right, caution flat left over bridge, tightens 6, 30. Right 4. Right 4 here, 70. Flat right, 50. Right 5, into left 6. Again, right 5, into left 6. 60. Flat left up, flat right 40. Right 6. 30, right 5, caution, 30 left 2. 30, right 5, 30 left 2. It opens, 60. Caution braking, flamingo left 1, 30. Right 5 plus, it opens and tightens, 80. Right 5 minus into left 3, tightens late. Here's 5 minus into left 3, it tightens late. Tightens late, into right 4 plus 30. Here's 4 plus 30. Right 3, tightens 30. Short left 6, right 5. 40. Flat left 30, middle over brow. Short right, short left 4. Short right 6, 50, brow, flat right. Again, brow, flat right, then brow, left 5 minus long. Left 5 minus, it is long. Right 6, 40. Right 5 plus, 30. Long brow, 50, short left, right 6. Here's 50, then short left, right 6. Then 40, brow down, 40. Short left 6, 50. Then short left, right 6. Short left 6 here, 50. Short left, right 6. Into left 5 plus. Flat right 30, left 5. Right 5. It opens and tightens up.
Is this the right 5?
Tightens, yep, up. Brow, short left 4, into right 5 long. Tightens, late, into left 5. 30. Tightens, into left 5. 30. Short right 6, short left 6, into caution braking. Right 4, left 1. Oh. Oh. Okay. Right 4, left 1. Right 6, 60. Short left 6. Into right 5 plus. And 5 plus here. And 3 plus left. It opens and tightens. Right 3 plus long. And brow right 2. Oh, here's the tightens. And then right 3 plus, it's long. And brow right 2. This is long. Brow right 2. Left 6. Into short left 3. Right 3 minus. Here's 3 minus. And then left 3 minus. Almost there. Right 5, 60. Deceptive left 2 finish. Whew. There's a loop.
There is a loop.
Nice work, man.
That's pretty fun.
Keeping it tidy. Keeping it tight loose.